Against the gentle bobbing of the boats on the banks of the river Ganga stands the holiest of the 7 sacred cities of India, Varanasi, one of the world's oldest cities, imbued with devotion, pilgrimage, mysticism, poetry and culture. This historical city produces one of the world's finest silks, the hand-woven Banarsi silk, a profession carried forward from generation to generation. However, in the early 1990s, with the advent of the electric power loom, the switch of a button began replacing the skilled hands of the artisans. The power looms were able to roll out a greater volume of fabric than the local hand weavers. This threatened the ancient hand loom to turn obsolete. The old wooden hand looms fell silent.
The whole industry of weaving was going through a downturn. One of the major reasons being power looms started kicking in. There was not much left for the hand weavers. They were all facing the heat of it, and because of which a lot of them were leaving the industry. They were all getting out of the villages which are well known for the master craftsmen that we have around this area.
प्रॉब्लम होती है कि मैं अपना काम कर रहा था तो माल बिक नहीं रहा था। जब माल ही नहीं बिकेगा तो हम कैसे बनाएंगे? खाने की दिक्कत बढ़ रही थी, बच्चों पढ़ नहीं पाते थे बच्चे, ये सब दिक्कत चल रही थी।
But then we as a Taj went to them. We wanted to preserve the culture, showcase it to the world that there is something that is dying. This dying art had to be revived. We spoke around with them, understood them. What is it that is putting them out of such a beautiful culture that we were preserving, and what is it that we need to do?
Following their tradition of preserving the historical treasures of art and culture, the Indian Hotels Company Limited got actively involved to protect and revive the art of the Varanasi weavers and artisans and find a place for it in the contemporary world.
तो इसीलिए किसी तरह ताज से हम लोग जुड़े, तो हम लोगों का थोड़ा काम स्टार्ट हुआ, तो इसी तरह बढ़ता चला गया। अब थोड़ा ठीक से है, काम मिलने के ऊपर बढ़िया से चलता है, बच्चे पढ़ने लिखते हैं।
IHCL started various initiatives to train the new generation in the art of silk weaving and support them in every way to preserve the rich cultural heritage of the Benaras handloom silk.
ये सब हमारा जैसे पहले से होता आ रहा है, ये हमारे घर के लोग करते आ रहे हैं, तो हम भी सोच रहे हैं कि हम भी इसको काम करें। अगर पार्ट टाइम में, जिससे अगर हमें कोई जॉब नहीं मिलेगी कि फिर भी हम अपना ये घर का काम करके अपना जो जीवन है वो चला सकते हैं।
Their belief is reinforced by their staff, who proudly carry these resplendent saris as their uniform at the hotel.
Handloom weaving takes time. There's a lot of love, there's a lot of care taken when a design is woven by an artist, and the artisan, he has got magic in his finger. And for us to understand that, and for the younger generation to understand that, it was very important we as a company come in and revive it.
The story does not end here. One of the biggest attractions at Varanasi from tourists world over is the Ganga Aarti held at the Dashashwamedh Ghat on the banks of the river Ganga every evening at dusk.
A lot of involvement, there are a lot of livelihoods attached to the Aarti that happens there. Not only for the flower vendors, for the Seva Nidhi which was formed around it, which again supports a lot of people around, which is doing this activity on the ghats. It draws in a lot of foreign tourists coming in every evening. It became a huge hit since it started, and when it started, what it is now, it's grown every year on year.
और तो फाउंडर पार्टनर की तरह हम लोगों के साथ ताज रहा है। उस समय से अभी तक हम लोगों का ताज के साथ ऐसा ही संबंध है, और साथ में मिल के हम लोग घाट का सौंदर्यीकरण और गंगा की स्वच्छता सफाई के लिए हम लोग लगभग 3 दशक से साथ मिल के काम कर रहे हैं घाटों के लिए।
IHCL recognized the potential of this event and lent a helping hand to make it bigger and better. The company joined hands with various organizations to beautify the ghats and also in the cleaning of the river Ganga.
Not that we just come and we do business and move out. Our aim is always to ensure that the community that we operate in is to also grow with us and to involve them in whatever we do.
IHCL has always borne the mantle of upholding the history of a place by safeguarding its cultural heritage and being a part of keeping it alive for generations to come.
We need to give back to the society. We need to bring them alive. And how do we do it? These rivers of Varanasi.